Hi there, this is a little project over here turning a Bentley GT seat into a office chair. Um, this is a two-part video thing. There are many people who have posted many videos on YouTube already, sharing with people how to turn a car seat into an office chair. Nevertheless, I found it that this time the one I decided to do over here is a little bit different for two reasons. One, as you can see, this is a Bentley GT seat. It's a very beautiful seat over here. But the thing over here is that this one is gonna be a little bit different, I believe, because as you can see, the whole seat is pretty much completed. There are many Bentley GT seats that are available that does not have the whole piece over here. The side panel, the bottom motor, the rail, everything, it's all complete. Indeed, this particular one, it's almost, I would say, pretty top of the line. The quality, it's almost brand new. There is a upgraded version of this Bentley GT seat, and that is the one that has a little ventilation right underneath the headrest support, and that particular upgraded version has the ventilation to provide warm air or AC, as you can adjust it. So this is what the version that is almost top of the line but not quite there yet. However, when I look into the menu over here, this one does have the number support and everything. The motor, everything is all here. So I decided to do a Bentley GT seat turning into an office chair and gives it a new life reincarnation, if you will. There are two reasons why I wanted to do this a little bit differently. One, as I mentioned, that there are many people make it to sharing already on YouTube, yet I found that most of those, they just decided to take out the entire bottom part of it, the motor and everything, the rail, and then they put a plywood as support, and then place it in between the bottom of the office chair. I decided to do it a little bit differently, as I would like to preserve everything, and then connecting it with the power, whether it would be a car battery or AC adapter or DC direct current adapter, so that when the whole thing is completed, that way the seat can be, with a press of the button, it could move forward, backward, recline, and everything, the whole 9 yards. That is something that I still have yet found it on the YouTube video, so I decided to do it this way. The second reason why I would like to do this is that this kind of car seat, for those who would really like to turn a car seat into office chair, or maybe thinking about that idea, what I found is that most of the videos that they already share is that those car seats that are kind of like, in a way, kind of like in the older generation. This kind of more, I would say, modern generation, the major difference is that there is a built-in, okay, let me say this again, a built-in airbag inside the car seat. Now, so to handle this requires a totally different kind of attention, because you just don't want to just connect it with the power and thinking that everything will be just simply get it done. No, it is not this way. If you go ahead and connecting with the power, chances are that built-in side airbag will be deployed and pop it, and that would effectively destroy your entire car seat. You do not want to do that. So that is one thing that keep this into consideration. And most of the people they're sharing on the YouTube video turning the car seat into office chair, they did not address that. They simply just put take out everything down in the bottom and then put a plywood on that, and that's how they did it. So I decided to do it a little bit differently. So this is gonna be a part 1 and part 2 video, so that I could kind of make my journey sharing with you guys. I got the parts over here available, and then the base of the office chair, and as you can see, I decided to use a metal and basically cut it in 4 pieces, so this way it will have a much stronger support for the Bentley GT seat. And earlier on, the base, the cylinder of the office chair base, this particular piece was malfunctioned, so I took it out, and then I have a new piece over here, which I will be placing it for the office chair base, and so that it would able to support a much heavier weight, as you can imagine, with the whole seat, with the motor and everything down at the bottom. Everything will be preserved, everything will be placed above the chair base. It gets quite heavy, so I decided to use metal part that will have a much stronger support. So the rest of the parts are pretty much everything all here. So it's just time to do the setup for the office chair base, which will be quite straightforward. The part that I would actually try to see if I could get you a view over here is that, yes, these are the bottom parts over here, and as you can see, I posted some of the sticker over here. It's that there are these kind of modern seats, and if you go ask one of the mechanics who specialized in the Bentley or Volkswagen, they would, and also some other manufacturers, that they are gonna be a seat sensor. And then for those who have the built-in airbag, they are gonna be like another airbag sensor. Those are the plugs, those are yellow in color, and those require your attention, as I mentioned. So we are going to put some of those bypass plug to address the issue before connecting the seat with the battery. As I said again, if you don't, you will effectively destroy the car seat, because the airbag will be deployed if you just plug it with the power without addressing the issue. So this is gonna be a part 1 over here, and I'm not sure if you can see the logo over here with the Bentley, and it is really a beautiful seat. So part 1 of the video for the time being, and then get back to you once everything is all completed and share with you the completed journey. Thank you.